so I just picked up the Audi. It started right up. Everything's running pretty smoothly right now. See if it keeps running smoothly, basically. Welcome back to the channel, guys. POV and me. I'm just heading to the bank right now, and I just decided why not just take you guys along for the ride with me. We are in the Audi that we just got fixed up. It is sort of kind of fixed. It drives well. So, yeah, we're just testing it out. Heading to the bank, testing it out. More power! I got a couple of requests from you guys to do a video of me teaching my sister how to drive manual, or just doing a how to drive a manual video in general. So I think I'm gonna get that done hopefully sometime next week. We'll have it posted by sometime next week, but I'm gonna have it probably done hopefully this weekend or Monday. So I'm gonna do that, how to drive a manual. I'm also gonna do a video on just a nice, cool drive through some roads, some twists and turns.
More power, baby! Yeah! Do it, me! More power, baby!
So that's done. I think now what I should do is go to Best Buy. This is something that should have been done a long time ago, but I should go to Best Buy and go get a face-mounted camera.
What?
Somewhere I can put a camera on my face.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So I think I'll go ahead and try that now. Wish me luck. Alright, so I actually just bought the camera. It's gonna be here Tuesday, and I'm just gonna have to figure out how to use that, because I've never dealt with an actual camera before. So I'm gonna have to find out what SD card to use, how to link it up with my laptop, and actually get videos out for you guys.
I'm still gonna send it.
Now I'm on my way to pick up my mom. I'm excited for that camera to come in. That's gonna be really cool for me. I don't know why I'm so excited about it, but I will finally be able to put actual videos out for you guys and actually drive the way you guys probably want me to drive. And we'll be able to put some good videos out once I figure out how to edit on it and stuff like that, and really, get the hang of everything. We'll put some real good videos out for you guys. Let's get her done there, Bob. Let's get her done. Alright, so we just got done dropping Mama off. Obviously, I'm not going to put her on camera because she's lived all of her life without being on camera. And I don't even have to ask her. She's not going to want to be on camera.
Not the mama. Not the mama.
So, I think now I'm just going to probably take this thing to the car wash because it's pretty filthy. And then after that, I don't know, we'll see. Now my sister, on the other hand, I could probably convince her to get on camera so that we can do the how to drive a manual video, because that would be pretty cool. But no promises on that. She's a little stubborn, so we'll see. powerful. This is like shaking the whole car. Well, that did just about nothing. That's as clean as I'm willing to get it right now. It's smoking a lot.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
You ain't passing me, dog. You ain't passing me. Come on.
So the car is all clean.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
I think we're just gonna go ahead and drive for a little bit. Enjoy the car. The day is so nice. Look at the sky. Just look at it. Would you just look at that?
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Get from behind
Look at that.
and you can't do it.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah,
look at
see,
that.
And if you tell that to the cops,
Look at that.
they're not going to give you any
Oh,
consideration.
look at that.
Wow. Those days are coming to an end, man. This wintertime's coming soon. Soon this is all gonna be white.
What do you mean by that?
Steering wheel is wobbly around turns. Oh, wheel won't fall off. Be me. By the way, I want to thank all of you for helping me get to 50 plus subscribers. 50 subscribers. There's 50 of you watching me.
Why are you doing that?
Why? Thank you guys for watching the shorts. I know they're a little silly sometimes. I post whatever, you know what I mean? And if you guys enjoy watching it, then that's a plus, you know? I don't know. Sometimes I just don't know what I'm recording. I don't even know what I'm posting. I don't know what I'm doing.
I don't even know.
So if you guys enjoy it, then cool. You know what I mean? I'm grateful for you guys watching, enjoying, and giving me feedback. So thank you guys. If you guys like these videos, please do like, comment, and subscribe. I do enjoy making these videos. And if you didn't like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. And if you hate me, just subscribe. Subscribing will block me, so you'll never have to see my videos again. All right? But when you subscribe, make sure that you click on the video, and then you can just like go wash dishes and just let the video play. You don't have to watch. No, but seriously, the more you guys continue to interact with me on the videos, it not only helps YouTube decide who to recommend these videos to and how much they should recommend it, it also helps me decide what to put out for you guys, what you guys enjoy and what you guys don't enjoy. So just let me know, you know, in the comments. Just tell me what you guys want to see, what you guys don't want to see. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.